Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys, yes you guys, today on MarzArt, some of my drawings and my swatches, and guess what, even some top tips for the best beginner set. So this is my skin tone set, and the ones which I'm pointing to are the ones which I think have been repeated in other sets. Can you believe that? And I've pointed out a lot, because a lot of them have been repeated in the other sets that I have. In the pastel set, none of these have been repeated before, as this is the only set that doesn't have any repeats. But this 120 set, I tried to fit it all in one page, and guess what? I did. But most of the colors in the yellow section, and in the blush, and even some in the green, they've already been in the skin tone set, and some in the black one, which I think is just annoying, as this means I don't have that much of a range to my colors now. But it is a bit helpful, as if one of my pens runs out because I use it a lot, then I can just use the other one, and it'll be like an extra kind of free refill, like Copic. And these pens do bleed through the back, which I don't find that helpful. And these pens are a bit, juicy in a way, and that's why some of the ink from the pens bleeds through, and it becomes all over, and it goes all over your fingers. This is the acro swatch given to you from the box when you unbox it. So you have to fill this out yourself, and you have to make sure to read which one is next and not just do it in your own order like how I did before, and then I realized that was wrong and then I had to do it all again. But this is what it looks like. This is 120 marker sets. This is a drawing which I made, and in every set, in most of the sets anyway, you'll get a color as a blender. This pen is a white, very clear marker. It has no color at all, but it can be used to make your own colors or transfer colors, or even take away color or just shift it a bit. So wherever you put this, it'll kind of bleach it a bit, very lightly, if you use it as a normal pen. But if you layer it a lot, it'll become more and more white, like the paper, but the ink will start to bleed through because it's just moving the ink. This can be very cool for highlights, and I must say, this is one of the pens which I use the most. And because I have 4 different marker sets, I have 4 colorless blenders. Can you believe that? This is what my set looks like, but it didn't come like this. I've also made some other drawings, but they're in my newest book, which is this one. So drawing number 1 is this princess, which I used using the 120 set to color. And as you can see, it looks really cool. And the cover of my second book, I also colored using this 120 set. And I think that the best set for beginners is the pastel set, as there will be no repeats, and it has a lot of colors needed for you, and whatever you draw.
That was the new one.
And it's a very light color, and there won't be need to learn any use of shading. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed your time on MarzArt. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Make sure to comment down below if you bought the set. And bye-bye. Thanks for watching.